Hello and welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be doing a forecast on Tropical Storm Nicholas, but before we do, take a look at the gospel message in the description, and I'll be uploading a Bible video today. Right now you're looking at Tropical Storm Nicholas on satellite imagery. As you can see, it's not very good looking right now. There's still a lot of patchy storms, and there really isn't much circulation that I can see as of the latest satellite imagery, but that's likely going to change, and this storm will likely get its act together as we go out in the future. This is the GFS model. As you can see, it's going to form into a tropical storm and then strengthen to possibly around hurricane strength before making landfall somewhere between Texas and Louisiana. And then what's going to happen is it's going to stall over land. And when it stalls, we could see a good amount of rain in some areas. I believe the National Weather Service is predicting somewhere between 14 inches plus of rain for certain areas in Texas and Louisiana. So really from Galveston all the way probably to Lake Charles / Cameron, that's where we'll probably see the heaviest of this rainfall and of the flooding based on the GFS model's forecast, bringing it up into Louisiana. Now, let's bring you to the model guidance, or the tracks for this storm. Most of the models are bringing this storm into Texas, possibly making landfall and then possibly curving up to Louisiana. As you can see, the GFS had it staying out over water until landfall in Louisiana. So those are two possibilities. Now, if this does make landfall earlier and stays over land longer or rides very close to land, as some of these models are forecasting, this will likely only stay a tropical storm. But if this goes over the Gulf and stays over the Gulf, like the GFS is forecasting, this could make a run on a weak hurricane. So I believe this storm, if it stays over water, will make landfall with wind of 70 to possibly 80 miles per hour. But if this rides very close to land, like a few models are predicting, if it comes very close to land and makes landfall in Mexico or Texas, then it'll likely stay a tropical storm, only with winds peaking at 50 miles per hour. But that is still a little bit up in the air. But based on what we're seeing in the track guidance, if this stays over water longer, like the National Weather Service and GFS model is predicting, then we'll likely see a stronger storm. But what to expect if you're in Texas and Louisiana? Expect tropical storm force winds, and also expect plenty of rain. I don't believe the wind, rain, or storm surge or any other part of this storm will be really bad, except for the rain. That's going to be the worst part of the storm. And one other thing we should probably take into consideration is when this storm moves over Louisiana and stalls, possibly in Texas or Louisiana is where we could see that stall, I would expect the possibility for tornadoes, which is something we see with a weakening tropical system as it moves on land. So definitely keep that in mind, but we'll probably get a clearer idea of what's going to happen coming in the future. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Please check the gospel message in the description, and I'll be doing a Bible video today. Thanks for watching. Bye.